got over here? Come check these out. You want some speakers and a mixer for your band, and we got you a little something here to try out. What you think? You want to open up some boxes or what? All right, man. Hey, tear it up, man. It's not even your birthday. It's Grammy's birthday, so we need something to open these up with. So you know how we do it. Come on, let's go. We got to get the proper tools. Got to teach them right. Where are we at here? Oh, look at that. There you go, right there, buddy. That's your box opener. The SK1. So my grandson sent me a text and he was like, hey, Grampy, do you have a mixer and some speakers? I don't know where he got the idea that I might have some speakers, but I was like, all right, he needed a little something for his band. And they've been playing and doing their thing. And I'm like, well, you know, if you're playing music and you're doing instruments and stuff, I'm all about it. I did have a little mixer that I've had forever that I barely used. And I picked up these DMNDBXX Pro 15. Let's drag them over to my office and unbox them and open them. Let's open them up in the other room. It's a little quieter in there. Right over here is good. Yeah. Did you get the mixer?
Yes.
Okay, good. Cool little something, something. Wanna grab that one? Cool. It's your first official unboxing of something cool, or what?
Yeah.
Where's the SK1 at? Oh, take two. Go get the SK1. See? Go ahead and start cutting. I mean, do you want me to show you what to do or what? Just nice little slice here. Don't give it too much pressure. You're not trying to cut down. Here, look, I'll show you. If you do like a little something that's like this, because you don't know what's underneath them sometimes. So if you just cut that little bit of tape and get it started, and then you can do kind of like a little something like this, and a little something like that, and a little something like that, and a little something like that. There you go. You gotta train them up properly. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, you already got it. See what you're doing. We got the owner's manual right here, of course. Go ahead, start. I'll let you. These are yours. So let you take the first one out. You might have to turn it over and dump it out. I don't know how. There's anything to grab it by. You can kind of grab it by this, maybe. Let's see if we can pull out of the box. Ready? Kind of stuck, huh? Got it? All right, set it down. All right. Oh, you know what? I didn't get the tripods for him yet. You have to order you some tripods. I like the. Oh, nice. Let's get this one out of here too. Oh, these are stands. So if you got the 18-inch subs that go with these are stands that'll mount to them. Oh, there's handles on the side. There we go. Get some power cables down in here. Look at those, man. Those are nice. Those are real nice. Those are the real deal right there. You ready? You can do that one. Just raise up to wherever I raise mine up to. I have to get the pole mount later. Order today. Right about there, probably. Something like that. Are we even?
Yeah,
No, you're higher than me, buddy. That's when you just plug them in. I know that I have 2 outlets right there, but I need a third for the. Take this one. See right here. The red twist, man. Never know instructions. Untwist. Okay. Plug it here. I don't know how to use these yet, but if I can find the power button, we'll be off to a good start. Ready? Oh, nice. All right, we got the little mixer hooked up. Turn it on. Which one are you plugged into? This one here? We'll go line in number 1 here. Then we'll do 3 and 4 for the other guitar. Huh? We haven't done anything with the DSP settings on the back. I haven't even touched any of the buttons. We just want to make sure this stuff works. Then we'll play around with the fun stuff. So let's see if we got sound. Go ahead and strum or something. Oh, got some speakers. So one thing you're going to probably want to do is turn these on and turn this on first, and then your speakers. That way you don't get a crazy pop like we did earlier. It's working, so. There's all kinds of settings that you can get into with this. We're gonna play with those. We're gonna see what's going on with all this. Super nice. Hey, you happy boy or what? Are those good? Yep. Hey, what's the name of your band right now?
It's called 15's.
Instagram?
Yep.
Yeah. Keep practicing. You guys are doing good. All right, these things are badass. All we gotta do is get the little tripods, and they're already on the way, and they'll be dialed in. Their band's gonna be sounding better than ever. Is that right? We got a cool little gift from Tony Diamore himself. Some little tripods, some speaker stands. Let's crack these bad boys open. Okay, careful with that blade, Slinger. Dang, watch that finger. Turn it over and dump it out, I guess. Probably the best way. Just dump the whole thing out. pretty nice. Man, these are super nice. Hell yeah, thanks Tony. Yeah, the actual person that had made these speakers, he sent me these personally. There you go. Put those on there. There's another one in here. So if you travel anywhere, you can put your stands in this bag if you want to. So, look at that, these are beautiful. Those are real nice, man. Wow, those are gonna be cool. Put that one over there and I'll put this one over here. Alright, ready? You wanna put that on there? Easy. Look at that. So sick. Let's do it again. Look at those bad boys. You guys are gonna be jamming now. Ready? Just like that. Those are badass. Look at them. Woo. You guys are dialed in now. Come check these things out. Look at them. Now look.
Oh my god. Okay, well forget parking my car in here.
That's right. This is now the new band practice.
You better get to cleaning all this.
Yep.